I'm bored today. What can I do? I'll just be funny today and go disturb the studios, right?
Action! Sir, can you kindly leave? We're filming.
Well, I'm here for a distraction right now, so can you mind while I'm doing the performance?
No one cares now, leave. We are busy, and we don't have time for that.
What's going on that room over there?
I don't know. Someone's being crazy.
I think someone is freaking out.
Okay, that's enough now. I expect you to leave.
Why?
Because you are trespassing our property.
What is that?
You're like coming here without my permission and staying for no reason at all. Leave or else I'm going to call the police that you're trespassing.
Oh God.
Oh, hey, Ben, where did you come from, or where did you go?
I disturbed the studio.
Ben, didn't you know that disturbing the studios can make you go into trouble? And plus, you might have trespass in there. Did they call the police on you?
They almost did, but I left anyways.
Well, exactly, yeah? It's not right at all. You're grounded for the whole day. Go to your room for 30 minutes.
But Tom, I was just wanting to be funny today. Why do you have to ground me,